Hey guys, it's Acceptable Tech here, and for my first video on my new tech channel, I decided I would just show you my boxes. The boxes of some of the tech I have. I wish I was started saving them sooner, but I hadn't. But now I pretty much save them all. And with this channel, I plan on reviewing lots of tech. Some of this you'll probably see as tech videos. Till new tech gets released and I go out and buy it and review it, but to get my channel up and going, I'll just do some of this stuff as reviews, unless like the iPad mini I obviously won't, because that's really old now. Starting to become old, at least. But yeah, here's some of the first stuff. The MacBook Air. I almost said iBook. I was watching an iBook video earlier. But the iMac Air, the MacBook Air, sorry, 2017, I want to say it is. Can't recall off the top of my head. 2016 or 2017, one of the two. Either way, I won that on a giveaway that Tai Lopez was doing. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I got the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 5S. I'll probably get like the iPhone 7, or that's probably actually what I'll get, honestly. And then this I just picked up the other day on clearance, so you'll probably see a video on that soon. Then the Nexus player. And up here we got the Chromecast power supply for one of my computers. You will be seeing a video of a computer that I'm gonna be building, but I'm still ordering all the stuff for it. And there's Death Adder Chroma, and this is the Death Stalker. And we have the Razer mouse pad, and we got the Xbox One, the Google Home, and the Xbox 360 up there. Alright, I know this video isn't very long, but I just wanted to kind of show you, introduce myself, kind of talk about what will be going on this channel. So, hope you guys have another day. Hope you guys have a nice day. And one more thing, you should see a video on some of this stuff coming out very soon. So, have a nice day, and goodbye.